This call is now being recorded.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, all of you. And I would like to request others, if you have been unmuted your mic, please mute it so you will be able to listen properly. Okay. Yes. First of all, yes. Good evening, all of you, and let me welcome all of you for this our SAP training program. Okay. Today I'm going to take its orientation part one. Like this, I'm going to conduct its three orientation sessions for all of you. Even I know that few students are regular students, or I can say an alumni students, and few are outside. Those who are working, they may not be able to join even at a 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. like this. For them, okay, don't worry. On your WhatsApp group also, I'm going to put it once again for your understanding. That's why I'm recording, and this recording will be shared with all of you. So because of some time limit, if you are not able to listen us, you will be able to go through our recording. And today I want to make you clear about certain points of our SAP training program. Okay. So with these words, I would like to start this orientation part one. See, it's very important that you all are admitted to the SAP training program in our college. Okay, we are very thankful to our management as well as SAP India for providing us an opportunity to serve our students with that particular offer. And I'm really thankful to all of you. You have given your huge response for that. And see that we are here to give the 100% the satisfaction through this training program. And you at the same time, I'm urging as well as requesting all, see, we are still doing something, and because of the pandemic there are the certain restrictions on our end, but we are now giving gradually the access to all the students, and very soon it will be happen. Okay, so in this regard, now what is our plan and how we are going to move, you should know all these details earlier. That's why I have been planned these SAP orientation programs for all of you. And definitely, as I already shared a message with all of you on your WhatsApp group, but once again, I would like to tell to each and every member who is present over here that our uh, training with respect to this SAP, we know that, okay, let me share my presentation screen, and accordingly, I'll discuss with each and every one the points. So you will get an idea about what I am talking and what exactly you are going to do as a part of this SAP training program. Okay. See, yeah, just see, I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, yeah, I hope now my screen is visible to all of you. Let me keep it here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So, yeah, just anyone please confirm, are you able to see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Very
Okay.
properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much. And I think I'm clearly audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
yes, thank you very much. So we're starting with this SAP orientation. Now I'm saying it's an orientation. Okay. See, it's very important that as a part of newly admitted course, see, and we are not exclusive training institute, but we are the authorized SAP Education Academy. Okay, because of the SAP, we got this particular opportunity to serve our students, and from last 3 years, we are serving our students. Okay, and when we are talking about this SAP at Sanjeevani, say along with us, there is an authorized education partner, that is Primus Tech Systems Private Limited, Pune. And why I'm saying it is an authorized education partner, because this particular partner is going to help. They are assisting in carrying out some instructor led training, as well as they are also conducting the internships for our student. So very soon you all will go undergo this particular internship training. And I'm very happy to tell you, because of this pandemic and because of considering the other constraints, we have been communicated with this Primus Tech system to conduct certain instructor led classes. That's why from most probably maybe from Monday, or in the 100% sure, maybe from the 1st September, okay, the Primus industry experts are going to carry out your sessions in the evening. During that time, exact batch will be given of the students to those Primus trainers. Okay, and you will receive a particular link from the Primus Tech Systems trainer, or we will provide you those links and you have to join on that link itself. See, even today you are available, your number of hours of SAP training we are going to add directly in your 200 hours. Okay, so you will get the access, no issue at all. You will get the access for our SAP education console, but you should know, you should go through that instructor led training. Why? Because among all of you, there are the certain students who even don't know what exactly SAP is. See, when students are coming to me and they are doing an inquiries, see, I'm a dean academics for this Sanjeevani College of Engineering. Okay, but hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You are.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. As a dean academics of Sanjeevani College of Engineering, as an autonomous institute, okay, I'm again having all the teaching learning responsibilities on me. But this is a program that where I taken the stand, and that program is growing every year. Okay, from the first year itself, we got the placement and everything for our program. So you may say, sir, though the Primus is with you, are we really authorized? My dear students, they are the students or even the aspirants of SAP. They do the course in outside institutions. I'm not blaming to any outside institution, but I'm just going to show you where exactly SAP is authorized, or we can say Sanjeevani College of Engineering is an authorized education academy, or we can say student academy. See, that's why you may be surprised, okay, how SAP at this lowest cost or affordable cost is Sanjeevani is offering. My dear student, I would like to show you something here. See, if you go on this page, that is SAP training.sap.com, your content / student academy India customer, and on this SAP training page, okay, you will find the name of Sanjeevani. See, this is under this, you can find it, SAP Student Academy program. I'm just highlighting this one. Okay, and here they have been given list of active education institutions, and in this one we are the active member, or we are the authorized member here. See, our details are available here. Okay, see, that's why we are able to give these things in a less price, and it is authorized. I know that there may be the questions in your mind, Are, how the Sanjeevani is offering within this much cost only, because they are, that is given, this particular point is given and it is available. That's why we are authorized, and that's why we can give you within that much less cost, which we have been offered as a part of our service here. Okay, see, then here along with us, this authorized education partner Primus is also available. So immediately after these 3 days, your maybe from Monday itself, your sessions will controlled by the Primus Tech system for 15 days. So every day we are going to take your this session. Okay, see, though the session will be carried out by the trainer maybe for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, but we'll consider it as a 2 hours. See, once you will get it now, we know that in the first these 15 days, we are going to cover your SAP overview and navigation. So what exactly this SAP overview? What exactly the navigation? Okay, so before this, let us understand in short, what do you mean by SAP? See, I'm not saying SAP. I have been heard by a number of students when they are coming for the inquiry, they're saying that, sir, I want to be a part of SAP there. Okay, it is not SAP, it is SAP. Okay, it's in, you know that SAP is a German company, and in German, the SAP meaning is simply a mad person. So we are not mad here. You have to understand this. SAP stands for very clearly systems, application, and products in data processing. Okay, this is very simple thing, that is systems, applications, and products in data processing. So what exactly it do? See, it is an ERP software which is going to help all the organizations to manage or to run the day-to-day operations of an enterprise. Now you may say, sir, what are the day-to-day operations? Okay, my dear friends, I'm showing you these I'm giving very minor details to you. Though it is an orientation program, I would like to conduct it in a such way that you should understand when you will start to do the study of SAP, you have to start thoroughly. Means you have to take the interest by yourself, and you have to do it very thoroughly. Why? Because when you go for certification exam, in certification exam, you get the such kind of questionnaire over there. Okay, number of time you may get what do you mean by SAP, and so many options, and you will find among all the 4 options, 3 options are looking very similar. So you have to choose only the correct one. Sometimes reverse is asked in your certification exam. They may give you 4 options to you, and out of that you have to select any 3 accurate options. See, selecting one is very easy, but selecting 3 accurate is very challenging there. So SAP certification exam is somewhat challenging because of such kind of multi-choice questions are there. Sometimes multi-selection questions are available. So this SAP is going to manage your business. Okay, and we are saying it is an enterprise resource planning. See, it is the name of the software, you can say, as well as it is the name of the company now, right? And when we are saying enterprise resource planning, resources means what? See, now you have to broaden your views because you are going to become SAP consultant. My dear friends, when you are saying a consultant, see, consultants are having the depth knowledge of their domain. So whatever the module you have been selected right now, it may be MM module, it may be ABAP module, it may be PP module or any other. You should think very seriously for that particular resources which are associated with your business. Take an example. Suppose I am saying I am in this teaching learning field, in education field. So what are my resources? My resources may be the faculty, my resources may be student, my resources may be all the different, we can say, agencies connected to me, like AICT is there, then I can say there is UGC is there, then I will say university is there. Apart from that, my resources are the various procurement that we do, various equipments that we require in a lab, right? So how to manage all these things? Those will be managed very easily with the help of SAP. So your SAP system mainly gives us what? A real-time visibility across your entire enterprise, how it is going on, how the different business cycles are running, right? See, I used to give one example always to my students to understand what do you mean by SAP. See, one simple business cycle I want to introduce you, all of you, as a part of SAP. See, when you go to the any shop, okay, specifically I would like to take this example for the girls. Okay, when even girls want to suppose purchase a nail polish, I think you know that nail polish, right? So when they want to purchase the nail polish, what they do? They visit the shop. But when they visit the shop now, what they ask for the different, we can say, brands of that nail polish at a time. And then they apply it on their actual nail and they check it maybe in a sunlight or in the light that, okay, how it looks like. What is the quality of that nail polish? See, what they do indirectly, they are actually running one business cycle. Do you know that what kind of business cycle it is? They are doing a business cycle of what? Procurement or purchase process. Okay, it means they are asking for 4 or 5 brands. It means that they are asking for the different quotations. Then they check its price, they check its quality, they do the comparison, comparative study, and then they go for the purchasing. See, similar thing is happening in any business organization. So SAP gives us that visibility, how each and every process or business cycle is carried out. Okay, I don't want to go in the depth of that SAP's history, but please remember, this is your European multinational software or company, you can say, which is founded in the year 1972. But if you see, still today it is so popular and so demanding. Do you know that why the SAP is now came in the popularity once again? The very clear reason I would like to say here, because of the automation is happening in this pandemic situation in all the organizations. And because of this, there are n number of projects available with each industry. And you are the lucky guys who have taken the admission to this training program. And if you finish everything within next 3 months properly, if you do your certification as early as possible, I'm damn sure, okay, you will 100% you will get the job over there. But for that, what is required? Your attention, your seriousness is required. Okay, so when I'm talking about this SAP, please understand, okay, it is also known worldwide for its unique innovation. Understand? And what is that unique innovation? Actually, that is helping to the customers. Now, who are the customers for SAP? See, for SAP, we are not the customers. Customers are the big other multinational companies. You can take any example in front of you. You can take the example of Indian companies also. Like we can say that TCS is there, Infosys is there. You can say another like your vehicle, or I can say automobile industries are there. All are using this one. See, even the electricity which comes in your house now, that is all there. Even our MSCB board is also using SAP. Do you know about it? They are also using the SAP. There is a requirement. Even in the construction field also, they need the SAP. And they require the various SAP consultant. And Why are they using it? Because this SAP is very highly efficient software. See, they are maintaining each and everything on this SAP in their database for the company from its origin up to the today's date. Everything or each update they can trace out very easily. See, following figures are just okay. I have been referred online and I got this one. See, more than your 2,63,000 organizations in this entire world are using this SAP. Means they are in more than 180 countries are available. Apart from that, in SAP itself, if you see, there are almost 70,000 employees are working with this company. Imagine 70,000. And if you see this in euro, their annual revenue or profit they are getting is like about $1,682 billion, or we can say European, this euros. Okay, you can imagine how much big this industry is. And this big industry is also having why the demand in the market. That is very important because of their unique innovation or unique enterprise resource planning. I know that in the market there are other even we can say big players are available. They are competitors of SAP, but ultimately SAP is the dawn. You might be heard about the Microsoft. Even Microsoft Ertigo is even IBM is having their own platform. Microsoft Dynamics you might be heard, but they don't have this kind of thing which SAP is providing today. Okay, so this is the part related to the SAP and its simple definitions. I hope you understood this one. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And are you understanding? Are you connecting with me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. See, if I'll not be audible in between, please inform me. No issue at all. Okay.
Sure.
See then, here we have been formed certain rules for SAP models at the Sanjeevani. See, I'm feeling as a main SAP training program in charge for entire Sanjeevani group of institute, it's my prime duty to make you aware about certain things. See, you have been registered, right? See that you have been registered, and then later on you maybe have some discussion with others and you may say, okay, sir, I would like to change the model. See, currently it is just in the beginning stage. Right now, if you want to make some minor change from PP to MM to PP or this kind, that will be acceptable right now only. But later, after 1 month, if you say, sir, I want to go with ABAP instead of PP or MM, then it is not going to be happen here, because we have to record it. We have to activate your IDs, even your passwords accordingly. Okay, and we are registering it on a server. So when we are going to register, once it is registered, okay, we are having only one option. We have to delete that one. And once we delete your record, okay, I cannot calculate, I cannot record your those many particular hours which you have been spent earlier on your that module. You cannot say later on, sir, count those many 1 month's hours and make my this module completed. It is not going to be possible. See, whatever the fees are paid as per the SAP policy here, they are non-refundable as well as non-transferable. Even no cancellations are available after that registration. See, you can delay your study. I can permit for the delay in the study, but we cannot do this process, or reverse engineering is not possible here. So this is just for your information. All of you keep it in mind. Okay, it is not going to be happen. See then, when we are talking about the conduction of this SAP at our end, means at Sanjeevani, see the orientation talks that right now I'm going to carry out for this 1 or 2 days there. Okay, see in this orientation talk, first I will talk about in general things which right now I'm talking with all of you. On the second day, definitely I'm going to talk about your SAP logon software, which is actually the software used in the industry by all the SAP industries. Okay, wherever SAP is available, what exactly that software and how it is. Even I'm going to give the demonstration of e-learning software and its assignment. Okay, see what is that e-learning software? It is an SAP educational console software where we are going to provide you the license keys, or I can say username and password to access it exclusively. See that, but when you are going to start it, say I'm getting n number of queries as well as requests from the students. Sir, I have just paid the fees and I want that ID and password. My dear friend, once you paid the fees, we have to verify all the details and then only we can register on it. See, as per today's update, your IDs and everything is ready. But assigning the terminal, again, to make that terminal ready, See, we may give you the terminal right now, but if that is not going to work properly, again, you may have the complaints from your end. Sir, you have been assigned the terminal, but it is not working. So we have to test it properly and then only we'll assign to the students. But during these live sessions now, definitely you are going to understand this entire process. When the Primus people will go for the your training with the SAP, they will give the insights of each module. It is expected from your end, you will go through that particular videos again and again and you will note down the details. Okay, so your 200 hours e-learning training, in that I have been already said whatever the now instructor led training will carry out for these next 15 to 20 days, that is also included. Understand, that is also included here. Then once you will get certain ideas, once you will go certain e-learning contents on our that SAP education console, we are going to conduct the internship program by the experts. Again, I can understand here right now those who are connected, you are our alumni students, you are our outside candidates, okay? And I know that there is a constraint for you to attend it during the day timing. So I will try to make it during the same timing, okay, for this particular internship. See, but when we carry out the internship now, we divide the student in the batch. So we'll not call all the 100 or 200 students at a time. We will divide you into the batch. Okay. And then when it is divided, okay, we are going to give you one access for our internship server. So our internship server is accessible to anyone online, even he is present in the lab or present outside. You must have during that time only internet connection and your laptop ready with you. So you will be able to do this hands-on practice even by sitting at your own destination. Okay, no need to come to the lab. But those students or those alumni or those outside students who are just nearby to us, okay, what I'm saying, who are nearby to us, they can join this particular internship program by coming or sitting in the lab itself. They can do that way. Okay, but the alternate is available. We'll ask you, we'll conduct it into the batch wise. So it may be the case that our 40 students are going for the internship, then during that time others are doing the access of the software. Again, remaining 40 will go for like this. We are conducting it and we are giving the access of our internship server. Once you do that internship, okay, we are giving it you up to the your last day of that SAP training course. We give that access open. Only you have to make a request, sir, I want this access, we'll keep it open for you. Then we are also helping us to go for this global certification examination. My dear student, this global certification examination in early days, they used to conduct in a physical way. Means they used to carry or used to call the students at SAP labs in Maharashtra. That SAP lab destination is only Pune. So our students, early students, first or second batch students used to go there. But now SAP came out with the online solution. And because of that online solution, now it is very easy. You can give this SAP Global Certification exam even by sitting at your home. But when you are saying, okay, it's very easy then for me to crack the examination. My dear friends, there is a challenge. See, when you are saying you are going to give this examination at home, then okay, it is a proctored based examination, means virtual supervisor from SAP is going to be appointed for you. And that supervisor, if he or she finds that you are turning your head here and there, you are looking here and there for something, immediately they may disqualify you from that examination. So this SAP Global Certification exam, once you complete 200 hours, we are also going to conduct certain internal such kind of assessment. And based on that, when we'll feel that, okay, now these students are ready for the exam, okay, then we are sending or we are going to confirm you that now you go for global certification exam. See, again, it is choice of the student. But my dear friends, today, this choice now is becoming a mandatory part. Why? Companies are not relying on the students because of the COVID-19. Let me clear you. Okay, they are not going to rely on anyone directly. So they are actually looking for the stamp on that particular training. But when it will come for global certification, time to time, we will conduct the sessions for that examination related, as well as we are helping you to do the entire registration. So for this process, for SAP Global Certification exam, You don't have to go anywhere. You have to just make a request to us, and then we are carrying out the process for you. See, only what you have to do, whatever the payment you will do for this global certification exam, please understand, global certification examination is directly connected between you and SAP directly. But we do an intermediate job. What we do, we take your all the documents, we'll take some data consent form filled from you, we'll take your payment proof, then we'll make entire bundle of that and we'll send it to SAP in a common sheet to SAP directly. And because of that, what happened, you are getting relaxed from this entire process of your SAP India portal registration and all. We do everything for you. See, these things, internship and global certification examination assistance, we do freely to each and everyone. Okay, and there is no problem. I'm going to share with you what exactly the global certification examination fee for one attempt. See, earlier I talked with certain students when I was talking, I was talking about the 6 attempts. But again, when we cross-verified with SAP also, even for these students, if you are alumni, if you are outside candidate, or you are working professionals, for you, that SAP fees is somewhat different when we are going to attempt for one attempt there. See, 100% the placement assistance we are providing. My dear friends, I have been just mentioned few company names here. Okay, these are just few names. These are the names. Okay, in that again, few more big brands are there, like Trident is there, IBM is there, where our students are placed. See, whatever I have been shown just as a exemplary example here, because this year itself my more than 140 students are placed. See, we provide you the placement assistance. Let me clear you this point. See, number of time I'm getting the question from the students, sir, is there any 100% placement assurance? See, there is no guarantee of anything, but whatever the efforts we are going to carry out. See, only my request to each and everyone who is joined here, you have to put your efforts in very disciplined way. Okay, when there will be a sessions for placement related, means we are definitely going to carry out somewhere aptitude sessions for you, somewhere communication skill sessions, somewhere even mock interviews of the students. Suppose we have been given you the placement tracker, then it is filled by you, and if it is shortlisted by the company, we are getting the shortlisted student list. Okay, these many students are shortlisted for the interview. Then what we do, we conduct the mock interviews at our place, and then we give you the clear hints. We are giving clear even lacunas. Yes, here you are weak, you have to improve. Sometime, even if time permit, I'm going to take these interviews even from Primus itself. Their industry experts are giving us the complete feedback of the student. See, this process we carry out for the students, and this time for all of you, it will be carried out. See, then don't say, sir, on that day I'm having some work, I cannot attend, I cannot do this. Even it is applicable for regular alumni as well as for outside student. See, last year also our outside students also get placed through this kind of assistance we provided to them. Even sometime if it is not possible to conduct physically or in actual mode, we provide all the material related to this kind of placement related. Okay. See, please understand, we are the authorized SAP Education Academy, and because of that, we are going to register you on SAP Career Portal. And on that portal, once you registered, okay, the rest of the activity we carry out. But when are you going to register on that? Once you complete your 200 hours training, plus you complete that global certification exam. Now, you may have the question, why are we get registered there? See, once you registered on SAP Career Portal, we are able to give you all the different placement opportunities, which you may not find in your open market. And one more thing is that we are carrying out alumni talks for our students. Now you are newly enrolled. For you, very soon, I'm going to call one alumni for alumni talk. What they do, in that they actually going to share with you how to prepare, how to go with this SAP, how they have been cracked the certification examination and all, and they are going to share their experience. See, we do this continuously for our student. Why? Because we want to give you the current updates of the market. See, this is very uniquely we are applying, and I'm very happy all my SAP alumni are always ready to help for their juniors and for newly registered SAP students. So I want to give its benefit to all of you. So in latter case also, if there is any referral drives, they can give the reference to you. They can give the reference to our students, and you can take the benefit of that referral by preparing all the questionnaire which is given by them, or you may have the study material they may provide to you. Okay. Apart from that, I have been written very one clear point study material. My dear friends, we are going to provide you the study material in the form of soft copies. Okay, we may give the complete your module details, module PDFs for your references. Sometime it may not be possible. Now in first 15 days, okay, when we are carrying out this instructor-led training, during that time, we will not give you the access, but we will provide you the study material. And this study material will give you an idea how to move ahead in your particular module. Now you all are registered for the different modules. I just want to share right now the syllabus of each module, and I would like to show you here what is the percentage is given for a particular topic there. Okay, definitely whatever the stuff I'm going to show it here, I'm going to share it on your groups as well. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, just make me let me minimize the screen. Okay, I'll share it at the end. Let me finish my next topic here. See, these are the fees for global certification examination. If you are an academic students, see, these are from SAP, not from us. Okay, you are going to pay it to SAP later on. See, these are the for academic student or any student who is pursuing right now his or her any graduate degree. If it is suitable for SAP, for him or her, the SAP Global Certification Exam fee is rupees 12,450, but it is only for one attempt. Okay. Second, if you are an alumni student, then it would be like 19,300. And if you are outside professional or any industry professional working one, then for you it will be again 19,300. So it means that if you are a regular student studying in any college where you may be in the final year or third year of that particular class, then the fees are very less, like 12,450. See, earlier to give the certification exam, there were no such kind of slots were available. Earlier they used to take directly near about 35 to 40,000 for one attempt only. So you are quite lucky ki within this much amount, you are going to get your certification exam. See, this is very important. And in tomorrow's session, I'm going to show you one clear global certification certificate, because I want to make you aware which certificate you are going to receive as an authorized SAP Global Certificate exam. Okay, I don't want to show you any other. I want to show authorized one. Even I want to show you tomorrow one 200 hours completion certificate sample, because in the market you may find there are the certain institutes. Okay, I don't want to blame anyone, but they are not providing somewhere these authorized details. Okay, so we want to give you those details directly. So what we are expecting from you? See, I'm just expecting from you a discipline kind of in your entire behavior we are expecting. I'm expecting time to time response for placement trackers and details as and when required. See, we are going to provide a lot of things through the WhatsApp groups. Please let me clear you. We are going to provide a lot of things through the WhatsApp group. So it is now individually your responsibility to check every day that WhatsApp group, what are the updates. Okay, suppose if there is any placement tracker and we are asking you, fill this placement tracker up to 5 p.m. only, then it becomes your responsibility to fill it by that before 5 p.m. only. Okay, very soon I'm going to ask to all of you to submit your resume. Your resume should be perfect. See, in placement assistants, okay, why I'm going to ask you your resume earlier, maybe next week or next to next week, I will call your resume one by one. We will go through your resumes thoroughly and we give you the complete the improvement in that resume, how your resume should be. See, that is a part of our placement support. Okay, we do that kind of complete assessment of the student. Then in time to time response, see, one more thing you have to understand, you have to read the message very carefully, what is asked. See, yesterday or the day before we shared one tracker intentionally, and what I found, it was clearly written for the certified candidate, but we also observed that non-certified candidate also filled that form. See, don't do this mistake. You have to be very clear. See, some updates will provide you, some placement updates we are going to share with you, just show you that how much right now it is in demand. Okay, See, it's very important. So you have to understand that message carefully, and please keep the track on WhatsApp groups. Keep the track there. Okay. And please, this is the particular request from my end. As a main SAP training program in charge, I'm always involved in the SAP's higher level activities. Okay. Even today I was busy with the managing your all the live sessions with the Primus. I was a part of their meeting, but I used to get number of calls. See, we are going to give everything time to time. And in the next week, okay, I'm preparing now your SAP calendar, means SAP training program calendar. So there would be the complete help for you as well as for us ki when and how the particular activity will be carried out. So you don't worry about it. You have been paid money. We are 100% know that yes, it is our responsibility, and we will give you each and everything which we promised from our end. So please just give us some timing. See, you will now we got really the huge response for this particular program right now. So we are doing its complete planning. And see, I have been said no continuous phone calls, please, because there are the certain department coordinators are assigned to do the work. But again, these department coordinators are carrying out additional duties there. Okay, I know that few are sometimes they may not be able to pick your mobile phone. Few are on the leave. So I'm going to give them idea. If they are on the leave, they are supposed to post the message on the group very clearly. Okay, suppose Professor Syed is not available, he will keep the message Professor Syed is not available today. So those many students who are connected via him will get an idea. Okay, today Syed sir is not available, so we cannot or we don't do the call to anyone. Okay, so please understand, because we want to manage everything here. And I have written the next point: certification is must. I found that in n number of your now the drives, or I can say in the placement campus drives, everyone is now looking for the certification. So you please, once you will complete our instructor led training plus our SAP education console software part, okay, immediately or during this time itself, you can think about the certification. Say, I'm going to carry out exclusive session based on how to do the preparation for certification. During that time, definitely our alumni, even I will give the complete roadmap to do that one. But you just keep the patience for that moment. Otherwise, from tomorrow onwards, students will start to ask the question, sir, how to do it? You were saying in that session, okay, just have a patience for a little time, because I know that you registered earlier and our admission process was up to this 21st of August. So we could not give few details to you, but it is not a matter. We are considering all these factors, and to give you best of best from our side, we are working hard here. Okay, so only consider these expectations that we expect from you, so we can give you the best service from our end. We can give the best of best. Okay, see that we are also registered with the various companies placement portal, right? They are hiring the students from our end. Okay, still though our 35 students are placed in Wipro, still I am getting the recruitment calls from the Wipro every day. See, somebody may say, sir, you may be saying certain wrong things. No, my dear friend, I would like to show you something. Okay, hope I'm audible. Yes, my dear student.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Let me show you something now, which I'm talking right here. Okay, see that I have been showing you this particular part. We are authorized why and how. That you got the point because of this. Now, I would like to show you one more thing where this SAP career. Okay, so if you go for SAP career success stories, see, my dear students, here I am not putting you, or I'm not making our own ad, but I'm just trying to show you where we are, right? See, there are various success stories are available. Just give me a minute. Yes. See, these are the students. See, I would like to see my dear currently admitted students. You will be here as a part of this part. Okay. So you will find these are the students. Okay. Various student. If you see that, like, suppose I just want to say this one. Suppose this Uday Patare, he was our student. Okay. See, the details are here like this. After completing my certification, I registered on SAP portal and started to get the jobs. So after registration, Uday is registered here. Okay. And the SAP, now they have been made their advertisement. I don't want to go there, but I am more interested in more here. See that you will find here, he is SAP certified consultant in SAP ABAP. And about me, if you see here, hi, I am 2019 BE pass out from Sanjivani College of Engineering. Our college is a part of SAP Academy program. See, he joined in 2019, completed in July 2020. Then he learned about this ERP and all. Okay. And then he got here. See, this is the achievement. After this, you can see the achievement of our student. See, he said that at the end, finally, I got offer from Cognizant. And then he's saying the thanks to the SAP placement. See here, there are so many students from Sanjeevani you'll find. Even you see this Pratibha is available, Pratibha Sansarkar. Okay. See, I'm not showing only these. You may say, sir, they are only ABAP students. Where are the MM students and all? You can search here. They are the students available. Okay. So I would like to see you should be here. Okay. I'll just drop down somewhere. I'll find or any. See, one more point I would like to say. You may say, sir, there are the students. Okay. Even others are available. Yeah, you can search it. I'll give the list. You can find it out. No issue. But I would like to see you here that this is my dream that all the certified students should be here on this SAP's success stories. Okay. See that I'll show the Prasad is there and others are there. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Now they are updating continuously. So we may not find those one. Yeah. Yes. These are the various success stories you can take. You may be from others, you may be different colleges. Okay. Okay, I'll search for him. Yes, here. See that Vishal Gaikwad from SAP MM is available. Okay, just a minute. Am I audible, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even this Tushar Borkar is also our student, right? Okay, it's get hanged. I don't know what is this problem. Yeah. You can search it, you can check it. Okay, I'll give it to you. See, this is the point. Okay, and when I'm saying it, yes, there are the placement. How we are getting? See, we are connected with SAP. See, no one shows there actually these details, but I would like to show it to my students because you have been trusted us and you have been taken the admission here. Okay, I'll just go to my inbox. Okay, see all of us here. If you see this, okay, we are getting the details immediately. See that the requirement for Infosys. Selection list and offer updations, SAP certification batch link. See, we are getting these kind of details over there. Okay, who are trained candidate and all. So those details we are finding here. Then here they are expecting now their certification ID or batch link. So what the different companies are doing, see that they are actually doing this job. Okay, see here they are asking for batch link. Please share the link blank column. So we have to give the details of these students to them. Okay. So these many students are there as a part of our this, and we are receiving the emails not from anyone from SAP directly. Okay, this is one. We can say, see, this is another one. Okay, so I would like to give these details. See that it is now requirement with Wipro Limited for 2020 and 21 pass out year interview updations. So we get continuously the support from SAP. And see, are you able to see this yellow and red kind of things here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, this red shows that they are rejected, and here clearly written by them, average SAP knowledge, attitude bad. So my dear students, my dear friends, your attitude is going to count a lot in this SAP, because SAP people usually carry out or hardly they conduct 2 or 3 rounds of the interview. And in that, what they check your knowledge, SAP knowledge of particular module, and then even they observe your behavior, how you behave with the others. Okay, are you keeping the patience over there or not? How are you listening their question? In what sense you are answering them? See, this is the point. Okay, see, in this case, if you see that those who are selected, they are giving one message: select good SAP knowledge, and their ranking is provided or the marks are provided. So we will also receive the results for you like this. Okay, and when they will be received now, I am not going to share it, but I am going to pinch you directly on this point. Yes, you are supposed to be here. You are not in red zone. You are supposed to be in this green zone here. So this is related to our that placement and all. So this code of conduct is going to play a major role for all of us. Okay. So this is the point that I wanted to discuss in today's session, right? And with this, okay, the first part of orientation, just to make you aware about our SAP training program, I have been given the details in short. I hope you understood those details, and now you can plan for yourself how you are going to move ahead. See, today I am not touch apart from just definition of SAP anywhere. Okay, we are going to move ahead gradually. Tomorrow's session will be there when I'm talking about SAP, when I'm talking about ERP. then what exactly do you know? Or SAP is mainly talking about SAP R3 architecture. And now my dear friends are also talking about, you all are talking about what SAP S/4HANA. But have you tried to find out? My very open question to all of you, have you really understood? Have you tried to search on internet as well what exactly this SAP S/4HANA is doing, or what is this? Okay, so we are going to think about this. We are going to learn about it. 100% will provide you the information. But right now, as a part of our first session today, I would like to say wish you all the very best. Okay, and after 4 months, I would like to see your name on the certified list, as well as I would like to see your complete career on this SAP path. Okay, so I'm giving these particular wishes not only from my end, even from our honorable management, even from our director, all the heads, deans, my faculty and students would like to say wish you all the very best for this program. And at the same time, okay, best of luck to each and everyone. So we are going to move ahead now. The point come for today's task. Somebody please mute the mic, please. I'm getting noise. Okay, thank you very much. So your today's task is what? Okay, you have to just go on one of the website. Let me show you here as a part of my discussion. Okay, you'll go on Google and just search for guru.com. Which website? Sorry, guru99.com, not guru only. Guru99 SAP. See this one, all of you. And just go for this first link which you will get here. See, I would like to have you observed here in front of my this Guru99 SAP. Are you getting here some value like in or India's flag and then some value? Yes. Are you able to read this? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir. Yes. 720.
Yes, 720. It is estimated search volume. Means for this site, this is the per click value is available on Google. You can imagine the importance or significance of this particular search word. And specifically, I have been added some details for you. See, what is the demand of this Guru99? Why? Because this is the significance of this site. How many times people are searching, okay, in the last month or estimated traffic on this Google Guru99.com. So if you find this traffic in these colors, it is almost more than 7.3 or 7.4 millions estimated traffic per month on this particular tutorial of SAP. See, this is that much important. So if you are a part of any module, so my request, just go on this particular SAP tutorial, because see, once you get the access, now you have to just revise the thing. So why are you waiting for that? You have to revise. Okay, so don't waste your time. This is particular resource, study resource. I'm just making you aware. Okay, and here you will find what exactly the different things are there. Okay, suppose you are a part of SAP MM module, just go on here, SAP MM, and start to explore the things. Okay, do not waste. See that they have been given all the details, and later on our education console, you are going to learn the same thing. And now you may say, so, sir, first part is introduction and master data. What exactly this? My dear student, I would like to show you the syllabus. Okay, I'll go back. And yeah, this is module wise syllabus. I have been uploaded on my mail itself. Okay, and okay, let me show you one module, and I'll stop for today for your session because others are waiting. See, this is your SAP MM certification exam topic. Okay, and these topics are very much essential. You may see something here like TSCM 50. You may say somewhere SCM 550. Do you know what is it? See, it means that these are the module certification codes. When you are going to fill up the certification exam form, you must know these kind of codes. Okay, so we are also having for our module the particular code, and that module examination only you need to give. See, this is suppose syllabus for SAP MM module. These are the points. Here you will find the weightage. It is more than 12% weightage for first defining your procurement process. So what exactly the procurement process? It gets more weightage here. See, when you are getting your certification exam score also, that is also based on certain these points only. Okay, so you have to understand the syllabus and where you have to focus more. Okay, what exactly you have to understood there. Okay, see, these are the points that I'm going to share with you on your group. Don't worry, but I would like to make you aware where you need to focus now. Okay, and what you have to understand. Just admitting is not enough now. Understanding the background is very important. For this purpose, today all of you please do one task. You just go on this particular Guru 99 website, okay, and start to see at least the page of your own module. Lot of things they have been given, okay. You can give these details, you can understand them. These tutorials are really best. See, I'm not doing the advertisement of Guru 99. I'm not getting anything from them, okay, but I'm finding it is really the important resource for your study, and within a short time you will get a lot of information, lot of concepts for your own, okay. So please go through these details and let us understand them. Fine. So this one was about your this particular today's session. I hope you understood whatever I have been said, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello,
yes.
sir. Yogesh this side.
Yes, Yogesh.
Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yogesh, yeah, I'll take your one question because other students are in waiting zone.
Yeah, just for 30 seconds. Sir, actually, I just want to ask regarding the placements. If suppose one company come into the campus, suppose Cognizant, and if we not able to place in that company, then we'll get opportunity for the next one?
Yes. See, my dear friends, Yogesh and others, we are at the Sanjeevani. Though our students are passed out even in 2019, if still they are looking for jobs in SAP, we are helping them. See, you became our students now, so we will be there with you not only for next 6 months, even for 1.5 years. Up to next year also, up to the December 2022 will be with you. Okay, don't worry about it. Yes.
Okay, yes. I cleared, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much all of you for joining this session. Okay, and yeah, you are only one thing I want to know, get from your end. Please put just in short your name. Okay, I want to get the details. Just your name, just Yogesh Gaike. Just put Yogesh Gaike in the chat box and leave it immediately. Okay, so that I can go for the next session. Yes. Yeah, thank you, Satyam. Yes, thanks a lot, all of you. Please put your name, and you can leave the session so that I can take the next batch immediately in the part.